Dogs, art and endless creativity. What more could you ask for? Dive into the world of Watercolor Dog Clipart. Introducing the Watercolor Dog Clipart bundle featuring over 100 adorable dog breeds. Perfect for any pet lover or DIY enthusiast. Each PNG file showcases a unique, cute dog breed illustration, ready to add a touch of playful sweetness to your designs. Imagine personalized pet portraits that bring your furry friends to life, or greeting cards that make everyone's tail wag. With this versatile clip art, the possibilities are endless. Home decor, scrapbooking, digital downloads, you name it, this bundle has you covered. These high-quality illustrations are professionally crafted with attention to detail and vibrant colors, ensuring your projects look stunning. Whether printed on canvas, paper, or even fabric, these watercolor dogs will stand out, and the best part, it's all digital. Instant downloads mean you can start creating right away, with the convenience of printing at home or a local print shop. Seamlessly integrate these user-friendly clip art images into any design software. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, they'll enhance your projects effortlessly. Unleash your creativity with this versatile watercolor clip art bundle. With a free commercial license and endless customization possibilities, you have the freedom to transform these artworks into something truly unique. So, what are you waiting for? Add a splash of color and a wag of joy to your designs today. For more details, visit our official website at www.digiwininfotech.com. Happy creating!